So some people, they may spend their day of Ramadan perhaps reading newspapers, books, other books, whatever it might be, novels and whatever, TV, these types of things. There's a difference firstly between the activities. Those activities like reading some novel, some book, reading newspapers, browsing the internet, TV. If the activity is halal in of itself, that's one thing. If the activity is haram in of itself, that's another thing. So if the person was watching TV programs that are clearly haram to be watching, then that is haram in Ramadan, outside of Ramadan. That type of thing is haram regardless of Ramadan or not Ramadan. So that shouldn't be done regardless, and it's a sin regardless. Then the other side of things, browsing the internet, reading the news, reading the newspapers, things which are halal, you can do that kind of stuff. Then that is permissible, but a Muslim should not spend all of his Ramadan, his day doing that. You can do it, it's allowed. No problem. Every now and again during the day you browse for the news or something on the internet, just keep up to date what's happening. No problem if you did that, it's allowed. But if it's 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours of your day browsing the internet on nothing, just here and there, then you're wasting your time. Even though it may be halal if you're only browsing upon halal news and whatever else, it's allowed, but you're wasting your time then. So you shouldn't waste your time with those things. It's okay, you can do a little bit just to check things, whatever, no problem. But the problem is when you go beyond the line and start wasting your time in hours and hours of doing those things. Novels and books, it would typically be impermissible anyway. Most of these novels and books are written upon ideas and concepts and storylines that are clearly haram. Clearly haram is written within them, and so it wouldn't be suitable for a Muslim to be reading those types of things anyway, regardless. But what is halal, typically, the point is you don't waste your time with it. You can do it, but you don't waste your time and your day upon it.